friends, welcome back to Scratch Skills. In today's video, we are going to be starting with a series of Python. And in this video, we're going to cover the basics about Python and get introduced to the print function. So let's start. The first thing I want you guys to know is .py is a Python file, and that is what would be ending when we save a Python file. So you can save main.py, calculator.py. Okay, so I just want you guys to know that. After that, the shell is where you type in the code. Where you see all these things that I've typed in, this is the shell. You can type in anything in the shell if it runs. Okay? After that, where we get the output of the code we write is the console. Now, to see the console and the shell working, we have to learn a few functions or something that we can use. So we're going to start with the print function. The print function is really simple to write. To write the print function, type in print or lowercase with a bracket. Anything that is in purple color should be a built-in function for you if you are using the dark mode in PyCharm. So this is how you type in print function. And now if you are going to use any strings that includes any letters or special symbols or numbers, you have to use double quotes or single quotes. You can type in whatever you want to type in using space, special symbols, letters, any case. And it should pop out in the console. Hello world. See, you can also type in numbers over here, but for numbers, you do not really need those quotes because they will print anyways. Numerals don't need quotes. See? We can do a few other cool things with numerals. We can actually use this as a calculator by adding, subtracting, dividing that I'll be showing you in another video, maybe in the next one. So, now that we know that the print function is used to print out things, let's see some common mistakes we make while using the print function or any other function in Python. So capital letter matters. So if I capitalize the P in front of print, then it should get a red line under it, and it should pop out as an error in the console, name error. So we should make sure that we have all the functions in lowercase. Python is a case sensitive language. That means that it reacts to the cases you put. So print and mostly I think every other function in Python is lowercase. Python is more of a lowercase language than an uppercase. Yeah, so I want you to know that Python is case sensitive. Next, you should not miss any parts of your syntax of your words or anything, because functions, then that's going to pop out as a name error too. So do not forget any letters while typing. That's going to be an error. Then do not forget to put the double quotes or single quotes around the word, because then it comes out as a syntax error, or the brackets after any functions. Now these may be a little confusing right now, but as you use code, these are going to be a piece of cake. That means it automatically comes to you, oh, I have to put those, or I have to put these, so you don't have to worry a lot about them now, but you can try them out and make sure you don't make an error in this. Okay, now something else I want to tell is slash n. What does slash n mean? Let's try it out. Slash n inside double quotes. Yeah, slash n has to be inside double quotes. Now this backward slash n counts as new line. So this means that whatever you type after the slash n will come in another line. So let's type in how are you? And let's print it. And we should get hello world in the next line, how are you? And then if I type in another print statement and type in I am good, we should get hello world, how are you? I am good. Do you understand? We can either put I am good over here with another backward slash. I am good and print it out. See, that works. I hope you understand what a print function does and what the new line function does. Like slash n it brings you to a new line. I just want to make that clear. Going on, let's see the color of the text. Pay attention to the color of the text. It matters. Do you see how everything over here is gray? Well, I've commented it all out. Commenting means to make notes or just make something invisible in your code. Get it? You see how all these text doesn't matter, just what I've written over there and that is colored matters? That means that's the only code that the computer can actually receive. So what we're going to do is we can type in notes like print statement beside anything to understand which statement it is or something that you want to take notes of. Or we can comment down a line of code to make it not work. See, it doesn't show anymore. It's just making notes or taking notes, and it works pretty good. Moving on, let's try a few codes so that I understand that you understood what I've told till now. And I'm pretty sure you did because it's all really simple, isn't it? So the first one is write a line of code that will print out your name on the console. Remember, the console is this where your code comes out. So type in the code. I'll give you a minute, or you can just pause the video. Yeah, pause the video, type in, and I'll be back with the answer. Okay, I hope you guys paused the video because I'm going to type in the answer right now. Print. So, did you guys type this in with your name inside the brackets? I hope you did, because if you did, then you're good to go. Oh, let's comment this down since that's interfering with my code. Just a hashtag. Done commenting. Print Anahita. That works. And the second one is write a code to print your name vertically on the console. That means each letter after each letter. A, N, A, in each line, each letter. Okay, so I'm gonna give you another minute. I mean, how much ever time you take to code because you have to pause the video, code it before I code it to check how much you understood. I'll give you a hint, new line. Okay, go write it. I hope you guys did pause the video and write it because I'm gonna tell out the answer now. Okay, so the answer can be print, comma, A, and then take this and do Control D to get a duplicate line. And this basically means duplicating. Control D in PyCharm means to make a copy of another line. Get it? After selecting it, you can do Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. And basically what this does is it prints out the same version of the other one, whatever is selected. So you can do that to make things easier for you. And then you can type in your name in it. Okay, I'm just gonna put Anna for now. That's my pet name, and that should work. Yeah, it does. And now the other way that I wanted you guys to do this is print quotes A slash NN slash NA. What does this do? A, new line N, new line A. Let's see if this work after commenting this down. Oh, oops. Comment and comment. And let's run it. And we should get ANAHANA. Yeah. In other lines, do you find this easy? Because if you do, that'd be great. And that's about it for this video. We're going to go much deeper than this in the future ones. And this is a really simple video. You guys can try this with many other things. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.